Hey, I get a lot of questions all the time. Ashley, what's the best way to become a landlord? Hey, what's the best way that I can use the rent to help me pay my mortgage? Is there any way that I can own a multifamily? How do I do that? You guys, I have great advice for you today. There's a new loan product called the DSCR loan. What this loan says is that if the rent for the property covers the mortgage, then you qualify for the home. You don't need anything else except to prove that the rent will cover the mortgage. So work with us and my team because we'll be able to pull the rental comparables and prove to lenders that your new home can be covered with the rent. So, are you thinking about becoming a landlord? Are you thinking about owning a multifamily home? Are you thinking about cash flowing this year? Reach out to me and my team. We're happy to provide amazing options for new investors, experienced investors, and advanced investors. Just reach out and let us know your plans. We have solutions for everyone.